Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another Arbitrum ticker symbol ARB price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as support. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $1.35 mark, which is also acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our lower low down there at around the $1.1 mark, we started this massive bounce to the upside obeying the Elliot structures, where we first saw this 1-2 setup to the upside. And after seeing the 1-2 setup, we started our Elliot structure, where you can see that we have now peaked in that first wave in a move that gave us an all-time high at around the $1.8189 mark. And after seeing the all-time high and putting in place the high for that first wave to the upside, we started a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $1.4842 mark and the $1.2907 mark, which is a target area that we have now fully maximized. And at the time of this recording, we are seeing a reaction of this target area in what could be the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3 using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $2.3804 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect ARB to do here on the short-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3. So this blue target area right here was a perfect entry for this massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And since we are still within this target area, I still think this is a good buying, that is a good entry point for ARB, and that is not financial advice, for us to be able to ride that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And for us to also confirm that breakout to the upper side, we need to see a break above these swing highs. And the first swing high that I'm watching is at around the $1.5 mark, and a break above that can trigger higher prices to get us to the high that you made at around the $1.81 mark, which is the all-time high here on this chart, and a break above the all-time high, and that is the wave 1 high. Then that will be enough confirmation of that massive breakout to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 and the high chances of fully maximizing our minimum target areas. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 77 mark, and that means we have managed to get into the overbought region here on the 1-hour RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.